Poppy K and her weekly vlogs, shopping, reading and her cute dog. Poppy K and her weekly vlogs. Poppy K, subscribe, like, comment and share. Hi, hey, how you doing? I have not read. I started last night because I said I didn't know what was started. I started The Spirit Engineer. This sounds really good, but I haven't actually done any reading today, so that's all I've done. I'm on page 25. So that's all I'm on at the moment. I think it's going to be really good. I just need to get in the right frame of mind. I'm in the middle of doing the washing. I've done housework, had my lunch, as you saw. Just a nothing much day. Well, it's not nothing much because it's, you know, I mean, I've been to work as well. So I'm just having a few minutes, just watching a little bit of YouTube, and then I will probably get going with this. Hopefully I'll have it done. So this is one of the books that I got from the library, so I'm actually looking forward to reading it. So that's that. We've got spag bowl for dinner, so I don't really know what else to say. So I'll be back soon. So that was me just doing a little bit of planning and meal planning as well, because I'm going to be really busy over the next couple of weeks with work and everything else. So I know you can do it all on there, but I do like a good physical copy. So that's it really for today. So I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day. If you've made it this far in the video, leave me an emoji. Let leave me a Christmas tree emoji. I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye!